Torchbeam T2H11H8H9 9005HB3 road bulbs. The Torchbeam T2H11H8H9 9005HB3 road bulbs by Torchbeam are a powerful and reliable option for enhancing visibility on the road. With over 10 years of experience in the product marketing industry, I can confidently say that these bulbs deliver exceptional performance and quality. One of the standout features of the Torchbeam T2 road bulbs is their brightness. With an impressive 16,000 lumens, these bulbs provide excellent illumination, ensuring that you have a clear view of the road ahead. This is particularly beneficial during nighttime driving or in adverse weather conditions when visibility is crucial. The Torchbeam T2 road bulbs are designed for easy installation, making them suitable for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. The bulbs are compatible with various vehicles, including cars, trucks, and motorcycles, which adds to their versatility. Additionally, these bulbs have a long operating life of 50,000 hours,